Hello friends, welcome to the i4 consultancy. Now this is a series regarding the ISO. So today we are going to talk about different types of IT audits. Now starting with the topic IT audit. The word audit was originated from the Latin word that is audere, which means to hear. Auditing is the on-site verification activity such as inspection or examination of a process or quality system to ensure compliance to the requirements. Now, talking further, an audit can be applied to the entire organization or might be specific to a function or a process or a production step. This depends upon the organization for which they need to go along. Phases of an audit. The different phases of the audit are given as audit preparation, audit performance, audit reporting, audit follow-up and close. Now talking about the types of audit. The types of audit are given as financial audit, operational audit, integrated audit, forensic audits, investigative audits, compliance audit, and IS audits. Now, I'll be talking about them individually. Starting with the financial audit. A third-party examination of a company's financial records and reporting activities are included in the financial audit. Its objective is to review the financial statements and to state whether these statements provide true view of transactions performed by an organization. Now, the audit opinion is intended to provide a reasonable assurance but not absolute assurance that the financial statements are presented fairly in all material respect and or give a true and fair view in accordance with the financial reporting framework. Next, talking about the operational audit. Operational audit is a systematic review of effectiveness, efficiency, and economy of operation. A future-oriented, systematic, and independent evaluation of organizational activities. Now, a financial data may be used, but the different sources of evidences are the operational policies and achievements related to the organizational objectives. Internal controls and efficiencies may be evaluated. Now, talking about integrated audit. This is a combination of operational audit, department review, and IS audit application controls review. An audit is called an integrated audit where auditors, in addition to an opinion on the financial statements, must also express an opinion on the effectiveness of a company's internal control over. Talking about the forensic audit. Forensic audit is an examination and evaluation of firms or individuals' financial information for use as evidence in court. A forensic audit can be conducted in order to prosecute a party for fraud, embezzlement, or other financial claims. Forensic auditing aims at legal determination of whether fraud has actually occurred or not. Talking about the investigative audit. This is an audit that takes place as a result of a report of unusual or suspicious activity on the part of an individual or a department. It is usually focused on specific aspects of the work of a department or individual. An investigative audit is the same as a forensic audit. When fraud or theft is uncovered, the investigative auditor compiles evidence and is often asked to testify if the individual is responsible for the theft is individually prosecuted. Talking about the compliance audit. A compliance audit is a comprehensive review of an organization's adherence to the regulatory guidelines. Independent auditing Independent auditing, security or IT consultants evaluate the strength and thoroughness of compliance. For example, you may determine whether the business is complying with US Environmental Protection Agency standards on the dumping of toxic waste. Or you may look at whether a credit card company is following federal law with regards to charging its cardholders allowable fees and interest. These are the references taken for the presentation. For more details, you can visit our website, that is www.i4consultancy.com and www.i4technolab.com. Thank you.